Hello traders, welcome to the live stream, welcome to Simply Forex, welcome to trading, welcome. How are you guys? Hope you're all well, hope you're having a great trading day. Yeah, there you go. That's it, finished, see you later. No, I'm only joking. Guys, yeah, I'm with you for the next 45 minutes or so. So it is your opportunity to get as many questions as you like over to me. I will try and answer as many as I can. Remember, if you are a YouTube member of Simply Forex, I will answer your questions first, but I will try and answer everyone's, guys, all right? So yeah, get your questions over to me when you think of one, and it can be to do with anything about trading, all right, or a currency pair that you're in. I'm also going to show you a few things that I'm looking at. I'm still in a trade, but this is not a new trade today. This is still a trade from yesterday. And I'm also going to show you, we sort of missed the pound pairs. The pound pairs that I put in my analysis vid this morning, left the building pretty early. So we didn't really have a chance to get in on them. So yeah, we'll look at all of that, guys. Also, there's more. How exciting. Yeah, we also have news. I would say all of this news is quite important. Yeah, all the way down to here. Yeah, we're just going to look at all of that. So we've got, basically employment figure coming out. We've got initial jobless claims, non-farm productivity, and unit labor costs. All right, but the big one is this initial jobless claims, guys. All right, and this is basically how many people are claiming unemployment, or if you're from the UK, claiming the dole. Do you remember it being called the dole? So yeah, and obviously, guys, they want that number to be less. So unlike most figures, if this is less than expected, that is actually better than expected because less people are claiming unemployment. I hope I haven't confused you. I think I've confused myself. But yeah, we want this number to be lower, and that will be better than expected. But if more people are claiming unemployment, then this is bad for the US dollar. So yeah, we'll keep an eye out that, guys. Please remind me, because I don't stop talking when I get going. So yeah, remind me that news in 27 minutes. Right, let's see who's in the house. Colin, how are you, my friend? In a couple of hedges there. So yeah, just be patient and, trade them once we get, according to our strategy. Brett, afternoon, Brett. Renewable Nat, hello. Calogero. What a cool name, Calogero. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. Hello from Luxembourg. I think you are our first Luxembourg viewer. Congratulations. I feel like a badge should be given to you. Gold reversal. Let's have a look. We'll have a look at gold in a minute. Liquid H. Hello, Liquid H. How are you? Yusuf, hello friend, I like your analysis, which is totally different from others, also explains about price structure. Yes, guys, yeah, and I don't know how different mine is from others. I don't really, sort of listen to anyone else, but lots of traders trade like this. Price, action, all the things I usually talk about, guys. Stuart Oz, hello again. Denny, hi Tom, good day. Do you have like weekly target in pips or earnings? As a beginner, want to be full-time, how much can I earn really, but put pressure on trading? Any advice? So, good question, Denny, all right? Let's just say hello. Kodrat, hello from Austria. You might be our first Austrian viewer. We've got our first Luxembourg viewer, our first, what is somebody from Luxembourg called? Yeah, because if you're from Austria, you're Austrian. What are you, Luxembourgian? What are you? Answer that question, guys. That is interesting. I don't know. Colin's building the hedge codes. Thank you. Pronounced good. Blimey, I pronounced it correctly. Hassan, hi from Pakistan. How are you, Hassan? How many hedges you got running? Yeah, none at the moment. Luxembourgers, I don't think that's right. Okay, yeah, I don't think that's right, but who knows? Right, guys, we're going to start with Denny's question because he is a member and we're going to start with that. So he said, do you look for a weekly target in pips or earnings? As a beginner, I want to be full-time. How much can I earn really if I put pressure on trading? All right, Denny. So 2 questions here, right? First of all, the temptation for when you first start out is every trade that you do, you will be going, right, that was 1%. Yeah, next trade, you'll be going, right, that was a 2% gain. Yeah, third trade, that was minus 1%. Fourth trade, that was minus 1%. Right, okay. That's the temptation of what to do when you first start out. Yeah, you basically put a percentage on every trade that you have. Okay. I'm not saying don't journal, yeah, because we want to journal trades so that we learn from them, especially the losing trades, really. But do not worry about the profit of every trade. Okay. I would say look at a monthly figure, because in a month, yeah, you have there's enough time for your strategy to play out. Yeah, if I said to you last week, how was your strategy? And you'll be saying, oh, my strategy doesn't work. Yeah. And then next week, I'll say, how's your strategy? And you'll be like, oh, my strategy's brilliant. I'm up 3%. So a month is a good amount of time to measure profit. All right. And again, guys, yeah, I'm looking a monthly figure of a minimum of 2%, really, 2% or higher. Okay. Yeah. And then, if I'm 2% or higher, I'm, happy with the month. I'm not losing money, but obviously we want to make the most amount of money as we can. All right. But the thing here is to think about, so firstly, don't worry about weekly profits, worry about monthly. So every month, see how your strategy is doing. All right. And then let's say you're up 2% or more. I would say you're doing well. Okay. But, yeah, it's all about your risk appetite. Okay. So let's say for each trade, you risk 1%. Okay. Because you need to have money management. And if it's 1% that you want to risk on each trade, okay. If that's your risk appetite, good. And then after a month of trading, yeah, that equates to 2% profit, let's say. All right. Now, if we think about this in terms of risk, if we increase, so we're doubling, with basically 1% becomes 2% if we do it on each trade. If you risked 2% on each trade, yeah, you increased your risk appetite, then you could potentially make 4%. Yeah, obviously every month won't be exactly 4%. Some months you might have 8%, other months you might have 1%. But you get the idea. It's about how much you're willing to risk. Yeah, I know some traders who risk 5% per trade. Okay, so that equates to 10%. Just based on this simple mathematic formula that I'm showing you. So it depends firstly on your risk appetite. If you're willing to risk more per trade, you will make more per month. The thing you have to be careful with that is if you're looking for investment, maybe you're doing a prop firm challenge or you're looking for third-party investment, they don't like you risking 5% per trade. Yeah, most of these prop firm percentages are around, 10% max drawdown. So that would be 2 trades. But you could at least come to 2% risk or 3% risk. But this 1% is always what you hear online and is quite a standard. But, it depends on your risk appetite. And then obviously your monthly figure will be greater. Okay. So yeah, Denny, I hope that answers your question. Yeah, and don't look at it every week. Yeah, look at it at the end of the month, guys. All right. Give your strategy a chance to play out. All right, guys, but good question, Denny. Did we get an Luxembourgish? There you go. Calogero. I have learned something new today. Luxembourgish. I never knew this. Right, guys, what else? From Hungary. I love Budapest. So we've got Wow Rider. Hi, I'm from Hungary. Much love. Budapest was one of the best cities I've been to. We went to the F1. Yeah, the Formula One in Budapest. It was brilliant. I love Budapest. Right, guys. So okay, so gold. So Calogero would like to look at gold. Let me just show you a few things the trades that I was looking at, guys. So just quickly, I was looking to short pound US dollar, guys. Yeah. And we just haven't had a retrace. Yeah. I was looking for this, then this. Okay. So these pound pairs just, haven't been tradable. I was also looking at pound Canadian dollar short. So the idea was good, as in it's come down and hit target, but I needed a retrace before it come down. And same with pound New Zealand dollar. Yeah, this has just come storming down and hit target. So direction was good with pound today, but we couldn't get into it because Elvis had left the building. I can't think of another expression. But one trade I'm in and still in is New Zealand Swiss franc, guys. Yeah, so this is looking good. Yeah, this was another trade idea from this morning. So, yeah, let's look at the day chart quickly so you know why I'm trading it. So as you know, guys, the day chart is always my direction. Okay, and then price kept hitting this level. So we wasn't breaking these highs, but we were getting higher lows and then eventually bang. Yeah, we get higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. We're in an uptrend. Yeah, price retraced all the way back down to these lows and we got a nice push off of this level. So ever since that's happened, guys, I've been looking for buys back up to here. So H1 was my entry time frame. So we've had a couple of entries. I actually entered over here to start with. Okay, so I look for sort of structure breaks, guys. Okay, unless I'm feeling particularly aggressive like Mike Tyson, then I'm looking for structure breaks. So my first trade was this. When we got a break of this, I entered here, got a retrace, entered here. Yeah, and I'm looking to take price up to here. Okay, so that was a couple of days ago. My stop loss is here. And I'm still in this trade. Yeah, but if you missed the trade, guys, there was another nice setup. And again, structure breaks. Yeah, price come down. Yeah, H1 is in a downtrend. Yeah, lower highs, not making lower lows. And then bang, we get this candle. Yeah, that breaks these highs. Enter here, put your stop here, take it higher. All right, guys. So, yeah, simple price action. I also like the fact that on the H4, we were at this trend line. And it's been obeying this trend line. Maybe it wants to come down one more time before it comes up. Who knows? We shall see. So that's me, guys. They're the trades so I'm in New Zealand Swiss franc, and yeah, unfortunately couldn't get into those pound pairs. But gold, yeah, you wanted to look at gold. So nothing's telling me anything but sell gold. Yeah, if we look at the weekly chart first of all, guys, all right? So weekly chart, we are in a downtrend. Yeah, these are the last highs. We've got lower lows. And potentially this here could be the last lower high. Potentially. We don't, we'll see. But what I like here, guys, is even on the weekly, we've touched this moving average 20. We've got a bit of a wick, and then look, we've got sellers trying to take it lower. If we drop down to the day chart now, again, there's nothing telling us to get out of this trade. We took some shorts the other day, but I've taken profit now. But we are still in a downtrend, guys, because if you think of this, this is the last swing high. Yeah, and it still hasn't broke. Yeah, so we're still in a downtrend. Yeah, so we could potentially come all the way back down to here. And once we get to this level, guys, look at the candles. If you get at an important level of support or resistance, ask yourself, what the hell are the candles doing? And these candles are telling you to sell. And then sure enough, boom, boom, we've had 2 days of selling candles. But yeah, so my idea is still to short gold. There's nothing telling me that we shouldn't keep selling it. But there is the moving average 20 here, which is sometimes dynamic support. And there is a little bit of price action here that maybe price could bounce off. But having said that, I'm still looking for sales, guys, on gold. What would just confirm the idea would be a break of this grey zone. Let's say this candle finishes red, yeah, like this. It's just confirmed that it's ignored all of this price here, and it will carry on down. All right, so gold, yeah, is pretty much a sell. But let's look into this grey zone in more detail. So if we look at the H4, again, nothing telling us anything but a downtrend. Yes, now come back up to this area here. What was once support becomes resistance. Nothing's telling me anything but selling. Yeah, on the H4. Okay, so I would sell that. And if we look at the H1, on the H1, we have had a structure break. Yeah, if you look at this structure here, bang. Yeah, we've now got higher highs. Okay, but this wouldn't be enough for me to start buying it. But yeah, H1 has broke trend. But if we go back to the H4, there's no trend break there whatsoever. And generally speaking, guys, the higher the time frame, this will pull rank, or this will have, more, what's the word I'm looking for? Yeah, the higher the time frame, the more gravitas the trend gives it. I couldn't explain that any worse. The higher the time frame, the more reliable the trend or the signal. Okay, I think that's nailed it. So I would still be looking at H4 structure and not be worrying about that H1 structure. Okay, because H4 takes priority over H1 and daily takes priority over H4. Yeah. Okay, so there's gold, guys. Right, what else have we got? Yusuf, I'm short Euro Aussie dollar, Euro New Zealand dollar. Good. You are making money, Yusuf. Good work. Yeah, these were trade ideas a couple of days ago, Wednesday. Yeah, we looked at this Euro Aussie dollar. I just ended up taking, yeah, there you go, guys. Look, I've got an alarm in here because you can see my dotted alarm on Euro Aussie dollar. Yeah, because this will be a H4 break. Yeah, if we break this level, then we are definitely coming down to here. Okay, so we'll see what this candle does. We've got another 40 minutes, but if it breaks this, sell it down to there. Yeah. So Euro Aussie dollar, I like the look of it. It looks like it, you know, it could. Look, I mean, look at this candle. It's looking like it could break this level. All right. And Euro New Zealand is highly correlated. So Yusuf, although you're basically trading the same pair. If you're trading Euro Aussie dollar and euro New Zealand dollar short, it's the same trade. So basically you're doubling your risk. Let's say you risk 1% on euro Aussie dollar, 1% on euro New Zealand. You're basically risking 2% on exactly the same trade. I mean, look at them. They are identical. Yeah. And we're just waiting for a structure break here. And again, looking likely. Yeah. If it does break, we can come down to here. And yeah, like I say, I'm in New Zealand Swiss franc, which is again correlated with these pairs. Okay, so I just trade the one that gives me the best setup. So yeah, they're looking good. Euro Aussie dollar, euro New Zealand short. I like the look of these trades very much. Yeah, so Yusuf, stay in them. Like I say, you get a break of this, keep riding it. Keep riding it down to this blue line and these last lows here. Federico Ferreira. I love this name. You sound like an Italian central defender. Yeah. Hi, Tom. I'm new here. Just subbed the VIP last week. Welcome to the VIP, Federico. I hope you're enjoying it. And I have a question. When your trade ideas hit stop loss hedge, do you manage to hedge and share with VIP members? Yes, I do. Not all of them. Yeah, not all of them. I need time to trade. I'll be constantly doing videos. But yes, Federico, every now and again, I'll show you an example of a hedge and how I traded it, and I will put it in the VIP Discord. I'm not blowing my own trumpet. I just haven't been hedged recently. Everything's been, the trades have been going well. So, but yeah, I do. And if you look through the exclusive content, Federico, you will see loads of examples of hedging. So check all of them out. And also, guys, if anyone else is interested in hedging, then yeah, join the VIP Discord. Now would probably be a good time to ask everyone, if you're new to the channel, if you could please subscribe to the channel right now, guys. Yeah, that'd be much appreciated. If you could also smash the notification button so that you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if you're enjoying this live stream, if you could please smash the like button right now, guys. Yeah, it'll only take 1 second. I'm going to have a drink. And also, guys, like Federico, he's just joined the VIP Discord. But what you need to do first, guys, is join the free Discord channel. It's free. The free Discord still has lots of value in there, guys. Yeah, we've got traders sharing ideas, knowledge, indicators, useful links, psychology, loads of cool stuff in there, guys. So come join the free Discord. The link is in the live chat and the video description. My editor will be happy that I remembered that. Secondly, guys, the VIP Discord. Yeah, so you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions if you're not sure about anything or need help. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their ideas. I create exclusive content every week. Yeah. And you get access to a performance coach should you need it, guys. So, the VIP, guys, is lots of value in there. All right. So, again, the link is in the live chat and the video description. What else do we do? Mentorship program. If you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. And finally, guys, if you watch the live stream every day, enjoy my analysis vids, then why not become a YouTube member? Yeah, Simply Forex YouTube member. Show your support for the channel. You get some really cool perks for doing so. And I think it starts as little as under $2 a month or something like that. All right. So, yeah, check all of those things out. They're all in the video description. My editor will be happy. Right. Right. What else are we looking at? Let's just look at a few. Caligero, I'm learning a lot with your channel. Thank you very much, Tom. You are very welcome. Our first Luxembourgish. I know this now. Maybe a little value play with gold to take it down. Yes, if it breaks that grey zone that I spoke about, Colin. I want to see it push through that price action that we just looked at. Codrot. What about US dollar, Japanese yen? Okay, let's have a look at US dollar, Japanese yen. So I'm in this trade, guys. All right. So let's take a look. Let's start with the weekly chart. Okay. And the weekly chart is telling us we've got a little bit more room to go. Yeah, before we start hitting this resistance. Okay, so I'm going to analyze the US dollar yen, and then you guys are going to analyze the next currency pair. So, weekly chart, we're clearly in an uptrend, and we've got a little bit more room to go. Yeah, my target is this blue line. And look at the candles. Yeah, they're bullish. Bullish, wasn't sure, bullish really, guys. Yeah, we've got a lot of push up here. Okay, and so far this week has been bullish. All right, but this candle hasn't finished forming, so it's irrelevant. Okay, but we can come up to here, is my idea. If we go to the day chart now, guys, yeah, I started looking at this buy as soon as we broke this high, because price was in an uptrend, and then it kind of, was it breaking down? And then no, it wasn't. It was coming back up. But we found ourselves in this range. Yeah, become a ranging market. And then as soon as we got this candle, yeah, that broke this high, I was looking for longs. And just to take it a little bit further, all right, up to that weekly resistance. Okay, so that was the idea. Again, yesterday's candle doesn't worry me. This is still telling us that there's buyers here. Okay, so yeah, I'm still happy with this trade, happy to buy it. If we look at H4 now, so this is obviously going to become quite an important level, guys. Yeah, there's almost like a mini grey zone here. I can put a grey zone in here like this. Let's draw this to the side. Yeah, because you can see this is the last lows on the H4. But again, on the H4, we're in an uptrend. We're not making higher highs yet. Okay, but if we come down, maybe price wants to test these lows again. Maybe it wants to just touch this moving average 20. Yeah, and then push back up. Okay, so obviously, guys, we've got news coming out in a minute. All right, I've already tightened my hedge, my stop loss, whatever you use, on US dollar yen. So let's take a look at this as the market takes into account this news, guys. How long we got to the news? We've got 30 seconds. All right, so like I say, I'm in this trade. Okay, and yeah, I'm looking for price to do this. If it doesn't, no problem. I will be hedged, or you'll hit your stop loss, whatever you use, guys. So yeah, let's keep our eyes on this one. Yeah, because price has come back down to this grey zone, and we're getting a bullish reaction so far. But yeah, there we go. News. Okay, so this is okay. So let's play guess the news game. So my initial reaction, yeah, we are seeing US dollar strength. Yeah, I haven't even looked at the news yet, you know, but we're gonna expect that initial jobless claims was better than expected. Yeah, this is what we're going to do. This is what we think. Yeah, let's look at euro US dollar, see if we're getting a similar reaction. US dollar strength. Yeah, let's have a look at pound US dollar, because we were looking to short this. US dollar strength. Okay, so judging by that reaction, I'm going to say the initial jobless claims was quite a bit better than expected. Okay, so let's take a look at the news. And there you go, guys. That is a lot better than expected. Yeah, they were initially it was 234. The previous one was 229, and this is a big beat on expectations. Yeah, hence we're seeing this US dollar strength. Okay, you know, these are some 2-star ratings here. One was worse than expected, one was better, but this one was a lot better. Yeah, it was a big beat. This was only a small miss. But this figure, guys, this 216, that is a big beat on expectations. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, we're seeing US dollar strength. The only problem with this US dollar strength for a lot of these pairs, if we go to the pound day chart, it is hitting very important resistance. Yeah, same with euro US dollar, sorry. Yeah, hitting big resistance. Okay, look at any of them, guys. All of these US dollar pairs are at very important support or resistance zones. Yeah, US dollar CAD. Yeah, the only one that isn't is US dollar yen. That still has room to move into. Hence, I like that out of the US dollar majors. So there you go, guys. Yeah, US dollar strength on the back of that news, which, yeah, it was a big beat on expectation. We cannot get away from US dollar strength at the moment. Right, guys, what else are we looking at? Portuguese. Sorry, Federico. I called you Italian, but the name is, yeah, very, yeah, sound like an Italian centre-back. Hassan, what is your view on Forex versus crypto market? So, you know, I look at Bitcoin. I keep an eye on it just because, you know, some of my subscribers ask me about it now and again, but I don't trade Bitcoin. First and foremost, I mean, look at these gaps in the market. Price action becomes ugly. Yeah, there's always gaps in the Bitcoin market. Secondly, it's so volatile. It's so susceptible to news. I can't remember which country, but Ecuador, is it, who's using Bitcoin as a currency or something? They're like, okay, Bitcoin strength, and Ecuador like, no, we're not going to use it. Or China say, no, we're not going to use Bitcoin. Then it's Bitcoin weakness. And, you know, I don't like the spread on it. Yeah, I don't really trade Bitcoin, no. And it's more volatile. There's less liquidity. And it doesn't obey market structure as well as some of the Forex markets. Some of the Forex pairs. So, yeah, that's my couple of pence on Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't really trade it, guys. I keep an eye on it. I keep an eye on the indices, obviously, because I want to know the state of the economy. I look at gold and oil, so commodities, but that's about it, guys. The rest is, yeah, all Forex. Hence, Simply Forex. See what we did there with the name? Cunning. I don't see how to join as a YouTube member. Liquid H, go to our video description and there will be a link in there that you can become a YouTube member. Okay. Thank you, Colin. News in 2 minutes. I actually remembered this time. Okay. All right, guys. So, okay. So any other things we're looking at, guys? No. Okay. Have I missed any questions, guys? Costas, how are you? He's a new member to our Discord channel. Hi, Tom. I think all good setups were at pre-London session. What about US dollar yen? So, yeah, we just looked at US dollar yen. And, yeah, I agree with you. Things happened a bit early this morning. So, for example, the New Zealand Swiss franc trade, the hourly candle. Yeah, that was just before the London Open. Exactly. Yeah, I agree, Costas. Yeah. So this candle was the entry candle, but this was before the London Open. And I can't help but think with this New Zealand Swiss franc, sorry guys, I shouldn't say I think. Don't do that in trading. Don't think, trade what you see. But just because this is a H4 level and we're getting quite a bearish reaction, the chart is telling me, not I think, the chart is telling me that this could come down to here again. You know, maybe test this. Okay, test this level here. And this level in here will be a really nice level for longs, guys. Yeah, back up to those daily highs. All right, so we'll keep our eyes peeled for New Zealand Swiss francs, see if we get a trade. If not, I'm quite happy for it to come up and hit target. I have no problem with that. Okay. So let's have a look at the NASDAQ. Brett. Actually, I'll look at the NASDAQ very shortly, Brett. Let me just answer this question. So is this your name? I like it. Hello, how long do you let me get my teeth in. Yeah, how long do you recommend a beginner stay in a demo account? I've been trading Forex for about 4 months now. So I don't like demo accounts. Yeah, I know this may sound quite controversial, but I've met many a trader, yeah, who is like, Tom, I'm killing it. Yeah, I'm killing it on a demo account. You know, I'm up 4% this month. You know, I'm going to put all my life savings into a real account and then boom, he blows an account. So instead of a demo account, obviously use a demo account just to get used to the functionality of placing trades, placing stops. You know, use a demo for that and build a strategy. Okay. But the only way you're really going to learn trading is when the psychology element comes in. Yeah. And there is no psychology with a demo. Yeah, there isn't. There's no skin in the game. Yeah, you can be, you know, I'm not a big fan. So what I would rather people do is just trade micro lots. Yeah, just a littlest bit of money, just so you can feel the pain of losing money. Yeah, so that's what I would suggest. Yeah, you know, trade with trade with real money, but just use micro lots or mini lots. You know, trade, you know, 0.01 lot size. Yeah. Or if you're feeling a little bit adventurous, trade 0.10, you know, or 0.02. Yeah. But have skin in the game, because only then are you going to start to appreciate the psychology of trading. Okay. So that would be the next step for me. Demo account, get used to functionality, how the market works, get some screen time, look at all the things I look at in terms of market structure, trend, support, resistance, candlesticks, and this idea of value. Yeah, just look at the screen, get an understanding of that. And then once you've built a strategy, then move as quickly as you can to a live account, but trade tiny amounts. Because really, trading is psychological. Yeah, obviously you need to pick trades, but everything's fine. If you're in a trade and everything, you know, you enter a trade, it hits target, you're like, this trading's easy. I'll have a Lamborghini by Christmas. But if you've been trading for a while, you'll know it's not easy. Yeah. So yeah, just start small, but have skin in the game, and only with real money will you learn the psychology. Yeah, and that's what it's all about. Yeah, it's psychology. Okay. As a new trader, do you think we should just stick to US dollar pairs as starters? No, I don't. I think you should look at all 28 currency pairs every morning. I'm not saying trade all 28 currency pairs, but choose a cherry pick. This is what I do. I look at 28 currency pairs and cherry pick a few pairs that I'm interested in. And what happens is when I look at 28 currency pairs, like today, guys, I look at 28 currency pairs and I found that there was pound weakness and Swiss franc weakness. Okay, because I looked at 28 currency pairs. If you look at 4 US dollar majors, euro US dollar, pound US dollar, Swiss franc US dollar, you're not going to know this. Yeah, you could be really missing out on some really good potential trades. So look at 28 currency pairs, but cherry pick the best ones in terms of the daily setup and then enter on the lower time frames. Again, guys, in my VIP Discord channel, I put my daily filter. Yeah, you can see it in the VIP Discord. And this is how I filter 28 currency pairs. Yeah, quite quickly, really. So no, get a breadth of understanding over all of the currency pairs. What else do we look? So Brett, let's get back to the NASDAQ. Okay, that's coming down. Let's start with the weekly chart. So weekly, all right, let's do this, guys. You're gonna do this now. Okay. You are going to analyze the NASDAQ. I'm going to do nothing. Okay, no, I'll chip in as well. But, okay, let's just drag that across a little bit. Okay, so everyone, so my usual question, NASDAQ, weekly chart, only the weekly chart. If you looked at this right now, would you buy, sell, or stay out of the market? Okay, so NASDAQ weekly chart, only the weekly chart. Would you buy, sell, or stay out of this market? Imaginary, that pound weakness did me dirty today. Did me dirty. That is also in all the top economic books. Veronica Williams says buy. Welcome, Veronica. Brett, stay out. Liquid, stay out. Sell, quite tricky. Buy, sell, stay out, sell. Okay. So we have a lot of indecision here, guys. And welcome to the psychology of the market. Yeah. You are a small sample of trading. Yeah. And look how different all of your views are. Yeah. That's what makes it tricky. Tashorn, hope I've said that right. I probably haven't. Looking for buys, stay out. Weekly chart, guys, I would be looking for buys. Yeah. We're in an uptrend. We've come down towards the moving average 20. It's not an exact art. Yeah. And then we got a bullish candle that broke all of these candles here as well. Yeah. I would be buying this back up to these highs. Simple as that, guys. In an uptrend, yeah, if you think of it as simple as this, guys, in an uptrend, bullish candle, broken support, this will be daily resistance, and we've got room to move into back up to these daily highs. Yeah, I would be buying that. Yeah, no hesitation. But we don't just trade the weekly. We're going to look at the daily now. So let me pull some of these support resistance levels across. Okay, let's ignore this one. I'm just going to do a bit of spring cleaning, guys, if you don't mind, while I'm here. Let's just move that down a little bit. Move that to there. This hasn't proven. Okay, we're going to leave it like that. Okay. Let's get rid of this one. See, don't look at the NASDAQ that often. Again, now, guys, day chart, NASDAQ. Yeah. Would you buy, sell, or stay out of this market? On the NASDAQ, daily chart, would you buy, sell, or stay out? Okay, so Hassan would buy, Sasquatch would sell. What is a Sasquatch? Is it a fruit, vegetable? Wait for the pullback to King Midas buy, Stuart Oz sell, Denny sell, Tashwan is selling. I'm assuming you're in a trade. Liquid H stay out, is buy, prepare for a buy, wait for confirmation. Yes, Veronica, I would agree with that. Yeah, I would be looking to buy this. Yeah, even if we go, this is going to be interesting. We're going to do this, guys. All right. So I would definitely be looking to buy this. So first and foremost, we're in an uptrend. Yeah. Higher lows, higher highs. We've come back to an interesting level of support, and we've got the moving average 20. Yeah. So this could become a really powerful area for a buy. Yeah, I would be all over this. Not right now, obviously, because this is hurtling down. All right, but what if this daily candle finished? Let's say it finished like this with a bit of a wick. Doesn't even have to be super bullish, but a bit of a wick and a red candle like that. But this wick has, bounced off this moving average 20 and closed back into this grey zone. I would be looking to buy that. 100%. Yeah, that's a good buying opportunity. And the weekly chart supports your idea. Yeah, nothing but buys for me here. Let's drop down to the H4. Okay. So bearing in mind all of these things, yeah. So, all right, we'll piece it all together later. Now we're on to the H4. H4 NASDAQ. Would you buy, sell, or stay out of the market? Sasquatch, there's no break of structure on that day chart. The only break of structure is to the upside. This was the break. So we got higher highs, higher lows. We're in an uptrend. There's no break here. Okay, but back to the H4. Okay. So no trade, stay out, wait, buy, stay far away. Yeah, just move away from your computer. Stay out, no trade at the moment, prepare to buy, okay, mentally and physically. Won't buy as yet. What about futures? Do you trade them? No, I don't. So guys, yeah, H4 clearly breaking down. Bang, bang, bang. H4 is in a downtrend. As soon as we broke this level through here, yeah, this was an important level. All right. But I'm not even thinking about the weekly and the daily, guys. Just looking at the H4, I would want to sell this. But even here, I cannot sell it, right? Because I know this grey zone is support. Yeah. And even if I did sell here, let's say you started selling here, there's no value. Yeah. Where are you going to put your stop? Maybe above here. Yeah. Maybe above here. Maybe above the moving average 20. There's no value. The move has happened. Yeah. The move you should have got, yeah, hindsight's obviously a beautiful thing, is when we broke this level. This candle here is the sell. Yeah, we got a break of structure, sell here, stop above here. Yeah. But again, I know this is support. It's oversold. Not interested. Okay, in H4. Right, now let's look at H1. Okay. So again, guys, H1 and only looking at the H1 right now, what would you do? Buy, sell, or stay out of the market? I'm going to have a drink. My throat. Do far too much talking. Exactly, Mark 609. Yeah. You cannot catch a falling knife. Okay, so buy after a bullish candle, sell, stay out, looks downtrend, so sell, wait for a market reaction. Yeah, and liquid H is trading is that simple and isn't that simple. So liquid H makes a good point. He's like, this is in a downtrend, so sell it. Yeah, makes sense, but there's a big but. Again, this grey zone is an area of support. And again, there's no value here. Yeah. If I start selling here, what do I put my stop above here? You know, that's a humongous stop. You know, you need a very good reward. So even if it is in a downtrend, there's no value. Some things can be clearly in a trend, guys, but I still won't buy them because there's no value. Yeah. You know, if perhaps price retraced back up to these lows, yeah, then we could sell it. But even then, we know that this grey zone is support. All right. So this is, let's put this trade together now. All right. So weekly, for me, was a clear buying opportunity. Daily, for me, it's in a position for a good buying opportunity. H4 was just, you know, it was, well, H4 and H1 were the same. They were in, you know, super aggressive downtrends. Look at them. Okay. So because of this, we've got this and this. There is conflict. And I just don't want to trade conflict. Yeah. Why would you? Yeah. So no trade. All right. However, yeah, tomorrow, if we go back to the day chart, I really like this area for a buy. Okay. But again, guys, I'm not just going to buy it. I need some confluence and some confirmation to buy. I basically need reasons to buy it. And at the moment, yeah, there are no reasons to buy this. Yeah. Bearish, go down to H4, bearish, yeah, go down to H1, bearish. Yeah, there's no reasons to buy it. So what I would need to sort of get me interested would, like I said, would be perhaps, it can still be a red candle, but perhaps a red candle with a reasonable size wick. Something like that, okay? Then I will be looking for a structure change. So a structure change on the H4, you will probably be waiting till Christmas, okay, because it's so oversold. Yeah, you would have to wait potentially, something like this, potentially hours, which is fine. Yeah, but what I would probably wait for is a H1 structure break. And again, I could be waiting for this for hours or days. So be it, if it takes that long to set up. But then what I just want to see is price stop making lower lows. This tells me that the trend is slowing down or even stopped, and we could potentially have a reversal. Maybe it does this for a little bit and then bang. Yeah, we get a break of H1 structure. Then I'm interested in buys. Buy here, put your stop below the swing low or even here and ride that price back up. All right, guys. So yeah, that's what, so we have analyzed the NASDAQ, guys. So we just need to be patient. I think it's a good buying opportunity, but we need to wait for things to set up. All right, guys. And again, if you're enjoying this analysis and you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel right now. We would love to have you as part of the channel. Also, if I could ask everyone to please smash the like button, it really helps support the vid. Dankashan, Gracias, Mercy, Shukran. And also, guys, don't forget the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord, we've got the VIP Discord, we've got the mentorship program, we've got YouTube membership. Okay, so yeah, check them all out. They're in the video description. Right, guys, we are going to call it a day. I hope you've enjoyed it, guys. Thanks for your time and thanks for all your questions. We couldn't do it without you guys. Your questions are our fuel. So thanks for that, guys. And I will see you next time. See you later.